A Gilbert mother coming to grips with the fact her belief that the world was ending last weekend was wrong. That's according to recorded court proceedings in Alaska, where her doomsday plot came to an end. ABC15 investigator Melissa Blasius has been following this case since the mother and her brother disappeared with her 16-year-old son a week ago.
This sister and brother accused of taking the teen thousands of miles from his Gilbert home without permission from the dad and without plans of ever returning. The fugitives had their first court appearance in Fairbanks, Alaska on Saturday. We obtained audio recordings of that proceeding one day after being apprehended near the Canadian-Alaskan border with 16-year-old missing teen Blaze Thibaudeau. His mom and uncle were in court Saturday.
This is State versus Spring Thibaudeau. Do you have any questions about what your rights are?
No. Spring Thibaudeau is being held on a felony warrant from Arizona for custodial interference. She had little to say in court, but her husband Ben, who had filed for emergency custody of their son last week and had flown to Fairbanks to reunite with the 16-year-old, called into the court asking for leniency on Spring's bond.
She's a very spiritual person. She just took it a little bit too far.
Took her spirituality too far?
Correct.
What is this end of the world reference that you were making?
She assumed the end of the world was going to happen this weekend, and obviously it's not. So they're all realizing that they've got to go back and reassess, the things they've been reading.
Ben Thibaudeau shedding more light on the alleged doomsday beliefs of his wife Spring and her brother Brook Hale, who were taking Blaze into the wilderness to fulfill a role in the second coming of Christ, according to court records. The Alaskan judge holding firm on a $500,000 bond.
Who knows exactly what was in her mind? But there is some evidence that what was in her mind was at least fairly qualified as delusional. And that as a result of those delusional beliefs about the end of the world, whether they be spiritually based or organically based, she took extreme action to remove the child illegally from Arizona in the ways described. It's a big concern.
Wednesday morning, the issues in this case moved to a family courtroom here in Maricopa County for a child custody discussion. Also, we are waiting to see how long it takes to do the extradition proceedings to get both Spring Thibaudeau and Brook Hale back here to Arizona for the felony cases. I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.